Hey, what's happening guys? Hope you all are doing well. This is Shito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna compare, or I will just do a speed test between these two guys. So let's jump into the video. On the left side we have the Redmi Note 3 and on the right we have the Redmi Note 5 Pro here. As you can see, Redmi Note 3 is on 20th March 2018 build of Nitrogen OS 8.1 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro is on stable MIUI 9.2.5.0 which is based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and note that both ROMs are updated to the latest build as of now. And I am using modded Pixel Launcher in both the phones here. So first of all, let me reboot the phones. As you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro completed the reboot in 33 seconds and the Redmi Note 3 is still in the boot animation. And it finally rebooted and it took 52 seconds, almost 20 seconds difference here. Now let me do the speed test. And as you can see, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro completed the speed test round in 1 minute and 02 seconds, where the Redmi Note 3 is still a little far behind. And finally, the Redmi Note 3 completes the speed test round in 1 minute and 31 seconds. So almost 30 seconds of difference here. Now let me do the RAM management test. Here Redmi Note 5 Pro faced a huge issue with the Instagram app and it always ended up in black screen. I don't know why, maybe it's because of MIUI. I did run the same test several times but the results were the same. So I thought of including this in this video. Do note that it doesn't happen when 4 to 5 apps are opened at the same time. It only happens when a lot of apps like 10 or more apps are opened in the background. And as you can see, the Redmi Note 3 simply does not have most of the apps in memory. But the Redmi Note 5 Pro did a very good job of keeping them in memory with most of the apps except for the Instagram app. Note that my Redmi Note 3 over here is a 3GB RAM variant and the Redmi Note 5 Pro is a 4GB RAM variant over here. So as you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro completed the memory management round in 1 minute and 11 seconds, and even after getting stuck in the Instagram app, Redmi Note 5 Pro just wins when the Redmi Note 3 is still behind. And finally, the Redmi Note 3 completes the test in 1 minute and 32 seconds. And I'm gonna do a Geekbench 4 benchmark test over here on both of them at the same time. So as you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro completed the job in 4 minutes and 59 seconds, where Redmi Note 3 took almost 5 minutes and 34 seconds. And as you can see, the single core performance score came a little bit better in Redmi Note 3 Snapdragon 650, and the multi-core score is simply much better on the Snapdragon 636. And no, Adreno 510 is not at all a better GPU than the 509. So if you are still confused that if really the 636 is better than the 650, my answer will be hell yeah. So there you have it. So that wraps up this video guys, hope you have loved it. If you did, please feel free to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel right here if you love my work. This has been Tito, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.